Enough?
Just one more question.
Yeah.
Medicine, as time evolves and expands, will we move into a place where there'll be vibrational medicine, where the DNA...
Well, you know what our favorite idea about all of that is that you are housed in a physical chemical factory, and your ability to produce whatever is important or wanted by the cells of your body already exists. What wonderful medicine that is. We're not pushing against the other crap medicine that you might be utilizing, but it is never as superior as that which your own physical body can and is producing. Sometimes you crave something that others would say, oh, you should never eat that, but you're craving it because there's something in it, or some combining of things in it, that your chemical factory will produce to your advantage. But it takes pretty steady alignment before those impulses are steady, you see. And most people have not made peace with food. We're surprised any of you can find anything to eat, because someone has written a book about what's wrong with everything.
So are we essentially particles of light, of consciousness from source?
Yes. Who have manifested into perceived tangibility.
And as we expand, all of us, the whole universe expands?
Yes, that's what the vortex is that we were talking about. Yes. Yes. This combination of beingness has never been before. And just in the short time that we are together, there's expansion of the universe. That's why, rather than considering time, we would like you to consider instead the moreness that we are all becoming together. You can't go back from the moreness.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed.